Hi everyone, I'm here to do a what's in my bag video as well as a first impressions. So the bag in question is the Louis Vuitton Bumbag, and it's in the monogram canvas with the vachetta leather. So the leather I did spray with Apple Guard. I sprayed it 3 times. So it looks really good so far, no stains. And so if you guys, I don't know if you watched my vlog during the Christmas Louis Vuitton holiday events, I bought 2 items and one of them I haven't opened yet, and that was like in December. So it came in this really pretty like monogrammed decoration, the holiday ribbon. So what I had in here was my black luggage tag that I had monogrammed. So that's what I had. And then this one, you can probably guess because I just told you what the other one was. Came in a drawer pull and the dust bag. Ta-da! And I got the large luggage tag in the vachetta leather. And whoa, that's weird. So I've had it in the box since December and I'm just now opening it. And I have mine and my kids' initials on there, and it looks so much darker than the, I don't know if you guys can tell that. Can you see how much darker that looks? That's weird. Anyways, I wanted to put this on here either that way or I'll put it like on the zipper. But I don't want to take, oh no. So let me put it on. How do you do this? Oh, okay. So it looks like this. Which way is it? I'm just gonna open the bag to make it easier. Let me zoom you guys in so you can also see what I'm doing. Okay. So it looks like this. It looks like putting on the shortest thing. So it's tight, as you can see. Like I kind of have to, it doesn't lay flat. What do you guys think? Should I do it that way or put it on top? Let's put it on top. Let's see how that looks. I don't think I like that because you can't even see it. Just kind of hangs at an awkward length, and that's at the longest setting too. I think I'm gonna just put it back. There we go. So I'll wear it for the day, see how I like it. And yeah, so anyways, let's get into the bag. So it has a pocket in the back right here, and that's where I keep my phone, and it has a pop socket on it as well as some cash and receipt. So I'll put that back in there. And then in the front, you just zip it this way. Okay, so first things first, I have a pouch that had feminine products in it. My sunglasses, which is a pretty bulky case. these are my Gucci, I don't know what they're called, but the style number is 0036S. So this is what they look like. I love these, especially if you have like a wider face like me. These are so oversized that I love them. So I have that in there. I have a diaper, card holder, cards and business cards, receipt, feminine product, a lollipop, cookies, more receipt. I have clip, just put that over there. I have a lip liner. This is NYX Need Me. And then I have MAC Whirl lipstick. And then I have just a lip balm. More business cards and the Louis Vuitton textile lining, coated cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, and another cookie. So this actually fits way more. It could fit way more, but I don't want it to be too bulky. But it's pretty spacious inside. I can even fit my camera, which is the Canon G7X, in here, which I did bring yesterday. So I feel like that fit a lot. Let's put it all back and then I will tell you my first impression. Okay, so first impression, I love it. It's very comfortable because it is the Vachetta leather. The monogram is surprisingly super soft and like smushy, like super soft. It's incredible actually how soft it is. The gold is very gold. I already have scratches on this back zipper pull tab. I still have the stickers on these ones and I don't plan on taking them off anytime soon. But yeah, it's super gold and it matches, which is, if you guys have the Speedy Bandolier, you would know that the hardwares don't always match as far as like the gold tones. So I like that this matches really well. This little D-ring right here. Oh, I could totally put this right here, but I feel like it'll hang too low. Anyways, so I don't really know what this is for. I believe it's for like sunglasses and shawls and scarves to hang those off of, because my Palm Springs Mini has a little loop right there too, and somebody commented before that that's what that was for. But yeah, so that's my first impression. I was weary about the Vachetta leather because it's a lot of Vachetta leather, and with it being so white, like this is my first monogram piece that I bought from the store, like brand new, because everything else I have is pre-loved, so they were already like darkened over time. But this, I was just like, oof, I was scared. But that's why I sprayed it with the Apple Guard, so I can be a little bit more at ease, especially having children. I didn't want to take that risk. But yeah, so far I'm loving it. It goes really well with my casual outfits. I haven't tried to wear it with anything fancy or dressy, so yeah, I don't know about that. But so far I've been loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.